Hi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you headings in HTML. So there are 6 sizes from H1 to H6. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. I'll be showing you all the sizes. So this is how we write it. And in the second one, we would write a slash and I'm going to say hello world. So this is the biggest size. And H2 is the second biggest size. And then H3 is the third biggest. And H4 is the fourth biggest. And H5 is the fifth biggest. And H6 is the smallest. So now I'm going to save it. And I'm going to call it headings.html. Now if I go here, I can click on this, and here it is. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful. We will be posting more videos soon. See you soon and bye.